Stop slowing down your lunch rush with mismatched hardware that refuses to talk to your POS. Welcome back. If you're looking to turn your Square setup into a professional, high-volume checkout station, this hardware bundle for Square is the reliable backbone your retail or hospitality business needs in 2026. This isn't just a random box of parts, it is a fully integrated commerce solution. The standout feature for 2026 is the plug-and-play compatibility with both the Square Stand and Square Register. By bundling a heavy-duty cash drawer with a high-speed thermal receipt printer, you eliminate the guesswork of driver updates and connection cables. The printer utilizes Ethernet or USB connectivity to ensure that the moment you hit charge on your screen, your receipt is printed and your drawer pops open with zero delay. What makes this bundle a 2026 small business essential is its rugged, all-day durability. The receipt printer is designed for high-traffic environments, featuring a long-life thermal head that requires no ink, saving you hundreds in annual supply costs. The cash drawer is constructed from heavy-gauge steel and features adjustable coin and bill slots to fit your specific currency needs. Whether you're running a busy coffee shop or a boutique pop-up, this duo provides the tactile reliability your customers expect and the security your business demands. Click the link below for the best price and start scaling your business today. If this breakdown helped you build your dream 2026 storefront, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the tools that turn entrepreneurs into industry leaders. See you in the next one.